Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I am also going to share a strategy to earn money. Yes, as you know, I already makes a lots of videos on earning money. So today's video I'm also going to show you how you can earn money. So first of all, I want to tell you, if you want to learn how to mine free Dogecoin, and if you want to earn every minute $2, or you want to earn by listening music, or you wanted to earn $1,000 per week, just go check out our videos. I will give some links in the description box below, so don't forget to check on. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, just go click on a subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon, because whenever I upload videos, so you will be notified. Okay, so what is the strategy of today's video to make money? Okay, in today's video I'm going to tell you a strategy that will help you to earn, how you can earn. Okay, what is the source? Today I will share you how you can earn money from Canva. As you know that Canva is almost 100% free. If you wanted to try pro version, then you have to pay, otherwise the Canva is 100% free. It is a website. It will help you to design anything. You can design Instagram stories, Instagram posters, Facebook covers, YouTube channel arts, LinkedIn banners. If you want to design cards, resumes, postcard, even t-shirts, if you wanted to design logos, websites, business cards, everything that you wanted to design, you can design. You can design infographic, marketing related. If you wanted to design some worksheet, lesson planning, you can design it. If you want some YouTube intros or anything that you wanted to create, everything you can create without any software. Just you need, there are already templates are created in this, so you will do it. Okay, as you know that I already make you videos on how you can create canvas, use canvas otherwise. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, first of all you need to account on a fiverr.com. As you know that Fiverr is a freelancing website. Here I already created my account. Okay, simply you need to sign up for account. Okay, just you need to create an account and then what you need to do, okay, if you wanted to work on a Fiverr, then you can do work on a Fiverr. If you wanted to, there are lots of freelancing sites. Fiverr is also freelancing sites. Here you can, I will show you how what people are earning in a Fiverr. Okay, just wait a little bit. Okay, here you can see lots of people are earning from Canva. I will design anything, I will design user. These people are using only Canva, not any a single software, and they are earning more and more. Here you can see I will design anything using Canva. I will remove background from pictures. I will design anything. Okay, it means you can design YouTube cover, thumbnail, everything that you wanted to design. Just what you need to do, you just need a Canva account. You just simply create an account. There are already templates are available. Okay, you can see there. What if you created a gig on, you wanted to design channel art, so simply you just click on a channel art. Here already lots of channel arts for free. Just you need to open it and edit it, do some editing, and you can create a channel. So what you need to do, open up your Fiverr website and click, after signing up you need to create a gig. Here I also created my gig. So you need to create, but I will design anything in Canva, just I designed it. If you wanted to design just YouTube covers, just you need to create a gig. I will design YouTube covers. Just create it and add some samples and templates. Here you can see I already created some of this. That's how it's works. You need to do work on Canva and you can earn it from Fiverr. It's all depend on this. Just you need to create an account, and you need to use a good title to get more views, because more customers will come by attractive titles and attractive thumbnails. So I just recently created, so I didn't get any order. You can easily get and earn more money. I already told you that lots of people are just earning from Canva. Okay, so that was the today's strategy. If you don't like Fiverr, then there are lots of sites. Let me show you. Freelancer. Here you can see a website, freelancer.com. Okay, it is another website to earn free. Just you need to create it on a gig. Okay, here's the one website, Freelancer, Fiverr, and another website is called peoples per hours. Okay, this is another website to earn. Just you need to do work on a Canva and share it on. Okay, and I already told you a website called Flippa. I already made on a video on it where you can sell your art. Okay, so you can easily sell your art or anything that you wanted, because Philippa is not a freelancing website, but it is a site for buying and selling. You can just simply create a poster, create anything and just sell it, any application, but with the help of Canva. You just need to create it and then you have to sell it on a Philippa. Okay, as you know that Canva is 100% free website. If you have any question, any suggestion, just ask me in a comment section, and also tell me which site you're going to use for freelancing. Okay, if you haven't subscribed my channel, just go click on it, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click on a bell icon, and also don't forget to share it with your friends and families, and I will see you in another video.